wacha tu appreciate. Niliona Kubet walitoa kitu hapa, sisi wacha tuachie principal. Hapo na Matanga alipeana mchango wake to the staff Rio Kindo 10,000. Bururu Girls tumepeana 10,000 pia kwa niaba ya hii group yote, sababu sisi ndio national school tunakuja kukaribia na India. Kepsha tafadhali. Chairman, hii timu yenye iko smart mmekuja vizuri. Tuharakisha tafadhali. Kepsha Association of Principals of Primary Institutions. Yeah.
Our CS, all protocol served. These are principals of our comprehensive schools. And I request any principal who is around, please come forward. Don't shy from coming. I know we are many. Come. Now, as they are coming, want to see us. These are principals who have been preparing the students who are joining our senior schools next year. They have taken these children through grade 1 to grade 9, and on behalf of them, I want to assure you that we have done a great job. We have prepared those children and they are ready to join senior schools come January next year. Also, we want to appreciate your support. Recently, we saw every one of our schools having a grade 9 class. We know there are those with high enrollments. Schools received up to 10 streams, courtesy of the ministry. And we assure you, going forward, we'll always support. Otherwise, we request you to come for a photo. It's an opportunity that we also want to appreciate ourselves.
As they take the photo, alumni Rio Kindo, please come behind them. The alumni Rio Kindo High School. For the interest of time, please. Batara ya kuwacha nje. Alumni.
Yeah, we salute and leave the leadership. Kepsha.
Musimame tu mpira tena kuja na alumni.
So these are chairpersons of our sub-counties. We have the chair Kenyanya and his committee, chair Kisii Central, and the chair Sameta. I'm Harold Intabo, the county chair and regional secretary, Chair Nyamaji also. Thank you so much for our support. Also, if we have something, we can also give to the
Kenyanya come and correct from the Kepsa. Yes. Engineer, there is a alumni. Let us have a two photo with the alumni Rio Kindo High School. So CS, this is the alumni. If there was time, I could have given them an opportunity to say their names, but time is not on our side. We want to appreciate your country. Have you taken the photo? Thank you very much. Those ones who have got a gift, you can see the teacher here. Those who have a gift, Kuna gift niliona bwana. Hii gift ni aje? Hii ni ya nani?
Thank you. E-gift is for the school, but you see, we have a father of the school who has made all these things to happen, and that is our CEO, the chief principal. So this gift has been brought by one of our old students, director, Brother Alex Boda. It is a laptop. Maybe you have something to say?
I want to just congratulate our young people for making it. I was a student here and I was among the best. So I want to encourage you that you work very hard. We'll always be coming to support you. Thank you, Bwana CS, for gracing this occasion. Thank you.
Kindly, CS, this is a very serious gift for our principal. Karibu kuja na mheshimiwa na our senator. Hii ni ya kipekee, just to recognize what our chief principal is doing. Yeye atakuwa anafanyia kazi pale ofisini to ensure that everything is done in the correct way. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We are now through with the session of prize giving. I want to take this opportunity with a lot of humility to invite the Regional Director of Education in Nyanza Region to come and make his remarks. Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, Principal, our CSR, the area member of parliament, waheshimiwa wote wale wengine wako hapa, all dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I want to take this opportunity to sincerely appreciate the CS for giving us this opportunity to spend the day with him. Those officers who serve in this region, wherever you are, the Ministry of Education Teacher Service Commission, I don't want to take a lot of time, please. So Waziri, we thank you for finding time to join us today. And I also want to take this opportunity to congratulate the community of your kingdom for the results of last year and tell them to do even better this year. I've seen everybody, including TSC, please. Even the CSOs, do you have any? Oh, you're here. So, sir, these are some of the officers who serve, especially in GC and this region. And I know we have many others in the region, but these are representation of the same. Please, you can move to the CS and then you sit down. Let me see. Sir, they're asking for a photo. I didn't want to, but Thank you very much, sir. Two things that I want to say as I hand over this program. I want to appreciate that all of us are gathered here to celebrate results in education. And in all engagements that we've had today, the CS is being asked to provide more facilities for our children. I want to appeal to all boards of management, to all principals and of institutions. Let us make sure that whatever literature we have is used in an efficient manner. Two, let us also make sure that in our institutions, we don't have a moving target, so that we don't tell the CS today we require 2 classrooms, and then when he comes back we say we need 3 more, because we have changed this. So as we request, let us also make sure that we manage our institutions so that we make optimum use of what we have. 3, and very fast, is to ask. In education, I think this is a sector with almost everybody as a stakeholder. So can we, all of us, consult and cooperate so that we move in the same direction? One body, we need all the parts geared towards the same direction. So let us talk, let us consult, let us support one another so that we can deliver efficient and very quality education services. So Waziri, once again, welcome very much. Now it is my duty now to welcome the County Commissioner to run the rest of the program.
Our chief guest today, the CS Education, all protocols observed. My name is Rose Mude. I am the Deputy County Commissioner Etago. I'm here to represent the County Commissioner TC, who is currently engaged in a twin function happening at Nyamache Empowerment. Your DCC, Mr. Bet, is also engaged in other official duty. That is why I had to stand in. And I only want to do 2 tasks. One is to say that the County Commissioner highly welcomes you to these events. And secondly, I want you to join me in welcoming the area MP, Mr. Bosaga, to come and welcome the guests of honor today, our CS. So what in a
sana. Abantu baminto babo machoge borabu onye mure no mogoko ino mikono tusalimiane kwa tafadhali. Mheshimiwa Beatrice Makwae, Mheshimiwa Bumba Ward, amono Mheshimiwa Amuzonderi ore ward yetu MCA, the DCC representative, our Chief Morega, principals led by Orina, leadership ya Kupet, kwa Director Mura na Kora Ndama, amuna bande, retired leaders baga Mbuya, amuna George Vibao, alumni wa Rio Kindo schools, walimu wa Rio Kindo, boards za shule zetu za hapa Rio Kindo, wanafunzi mahali popote mlipo, aba machoga na basani mwachita, all protocols observed. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mko na furaha kukaribisha CS Migos Ogamba. Asante sana. Nataka tuende kwa haraka kwa sababu CS Migos yuko na function nyingine nataka kwenda. Nataka nikufanyie heshima ndugu yangu Amos, kuja uongee na watu ya Bosi Munge Borabu wote. Wakati chingo bio minto Mheshimiwa Amos.
Asante sana the area member of parliament, Mheshimiwa Obadia Barongo, my brother and friend, Senator Isio Keyuri, all protocols observed. Nataka nami pia kwanza nichukue fursa hii kuwakaribisha hapa Lyokindo. Mheshimiwa, najua kwamba Mheshimiwa Migos Ogamba naondoka, lakini lazima waita wakuja hapa, itakuwa tu a breach of protocol na itakuwa heshima kwa viongozi wengine ambao wamekuja hapa kutujulikana. Najua kwamba umewatambua, hawatazungumza, lakini kwa heshima wacha niseme kwanza kwamba nimekuja hapa na waheshimiwa wa County Assembly. Mheshimiwa Timothy, sasa simama tu usalimu watu. Ni Mheshimiwa wa Magenche, salute Mheshimiwa, kuja please. Ni viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa, wamekuja hapa Thanksgiving. It will be very unfair to just wish them away. Mheshimiwa Timothy.
Najua imekuwa ngumu sana kusalimu kutoka pale. Nataka my friend CS Migos wana Barongo. Huyu Migos tulikuwa naye kwa ODM 2017. Tulisumbuka sana watu nomination. I know him very well. He is a close friend of mine. Mheshimiwa, karibu sana. Mambo mawili. Comrades power. Power. Mkarao. Hapa iboli. Omyomo tupa cavitation te chance. Okole kabisa. Wewe yabaito mati kuchandeka abana wasomi na konyere kinataka nkwana. Ekio moenyo, please, I've looked at the school, principal authority structure school. Nara ebirasi 32 out of 2,200 students. A class is around 70 students, which is unfair. Kindly give this school as a national school, give it the infrastructure, give it a perimeter wall, so that it is a national school. Finally, I wish you all the best. Na endo kwa chiwoga kabisa Magenche na nye school ya Manaronya priority ebe egotokonya. Asante makondi yamo.
Asante kwa sababu ya nafasi. Beatrice Kerubo Makwae, MCA Bombaba, ninakushukuru kwa sababu ya kukuja. Hii ni shule yetu. Mimi nilikuwa mzazi na mtoto wangu Ben Carson alipita anaenda Nairobi University. One word to waziri, at Bombaba we have a vocational training center. Ewenelete kwa gajwa tigesabakwa na hiyo peke yake ndio iko for the whole of Machoge constituency. Kindly nyechibeza echake mbijamono bosesendiwe.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Beatrice Makwae. Waziri, nikubalie nizungumze kwa dakika chache. Kwanza, vile ambavyo Mheshimiwa Timothy amesema, Mheshimiwa Barongo, unaweza kuwa usijue huyo Waziri Migos Ogamba tumekuwa na yeye kwa siasa kwa muda mrefu sana, from 2013-2017 akirani kwa chama ya ODM ambao tulikuwa pamoja, na sikuwa najua kwamba atakuwa waziri, lakini wakati alikuwa waziri I was among the people who congratulated him because I know the journey that we have the northern Kisii and the southern. Hii southern Kisii ambayo inatakikana ikuje kuwa Ucha County. This is the only national school that we have in Yogana Usongo limo. Kwa hivyo waziri, mimi nataka kuomba kwa heshima kubwa, nikiwa rafiki wako wa siku mingi, if there is anything you can be able to do in terms of infrastructural development, so that when you walk to that institution ukitembea pale ndani inakupatia sura ya national school.
maana vile iko saizi haina hiyo sura ya national school, ukweli ama uongo. Na waziri unapofanya hivyo onyo ngaki abaiseke na barambare gari leo kindo girls na ba nyale mbaga nyako eminja na barabara tegere gento. Number 2, waziri ya muhimu, mambo ya multipurpose hall ni kitu ambacho tumezungumza hapo mbeleni, mambo ya dormitory, wamesema mambo ya staffing, lakini pia waziri nikwambie ya mwisho, I am happy you are finding time to go through Kenya Teachers Training College. Again, as I said, this is the only college in this region. We do not have another national college in this region. Kwa uwezekano wako, kuna lili watu wako watebanga na yero na wako lene ngobogeka. Kakia college ili ya Kenya yekonye, oko yene region yeye kogera ene region each school choka tobwate chia this region. Tete jo kuona amangana mange aya ndina yabara ibande bakondego ya captation as leaders. We know what Imbadi was saying is in terms of the resources that are available in the budget. It doesn't matter that you are going to reduce that amount to 16,000, because if you do that, wananchi waweka kubali capitation ni 22,000 Kenya shillings, kama inawezekana iende juu na isirudi chini. Na waga ni eliama ya abu wanjalwata kwa
Mwiyamono sana, omo MCA, omo Kimonge. Takwa na duya? Sasa niruhusu ni muinvite bila kupoteza muda senator wetu AC Okenyuri abantu bamintumbu yamono lemere likoganya omweshimiwa esi ekeretware ngikogana nechinkwana omweshimiwa ndena chichaga tikamoenere likondo emanyekanie naenda bakwani
naitana bakwani limbi yamole abanyina hai boys hai nsasa meleta ngolo ku Dolphin Bwari endo mo MCA ese kaunti ya Gusii ngokwana esauti ya basubati. Kwanza kabisa mungu abere ese ngencho na chalete etwarenge program ya empowerment ya banginaria nyamache na akora namanya gotanata bagoikana inche nchitengi kegaiga na nchitengi kerane ese ngencho na arikire mwangaire. Asante sana mwanche tingona mangana mango mheshimiwa Obadia, lakini mimi nyepe nina nobege pe mipango kabisa igaiga se constituency yao nani Obadia no mbaya Obadia no mbaya tomo mnatasi haya igawa patuta modonda igawa atali atuta. Asante sana.
Mahora mangana abere bura abere ngoga moli na bose timo liba aitae moe kora oke
Abagiraba byamona sana mwanyegere yomo andika taka kongombia. Amjambo. Abagiraba byamore. Watoto amjambo. Waza. Sasa palita ngoro kwa Dr. Emily Wendo umugandi kwa raka iga kongombi na ino murakone no wale basoma aga isa bana bana umuganga nazo muri alumina lakini ro natigira magana yo lero ne isukoli education enataka kwa encourage abana baito bamanyanga education is part of the key to success na ende wacheki their other ways of life eliego compliment amasomo. Our CS, we are very proud of you for a very good initiative for visiting Ase County ya Kisii, and we are hoping you duplicate this Ochialika. njomo gambi ndete korera balimu bali batwalire TSC number for so long gakiba konya baruka na barawarenga nkibagokora. Otherwise we are very grateful to Mogambi and we are very proud of you. Na ande kora achora bane CSS ka to Mogambi mbiamano ngo kwani andabo chiza chiae. Thank you. Umuntu madonna ayo yoga nasi ndikankora. Mogambi ondere ndire bobe abantu bamento.
Giamono umweshimyo mujumbo ito barongo asogo twariganiga iga ntarachaka abantu baminto mwensi pimwacha lyo kindo mix. Education is the only equalizer for a poor and rich student. So I normally dedicate my time in supporting our students so that they can inspire imoroto so miliyabanta bange mpaka abana baminto igo mpaka nare go ikeraniga iga erindensegeta abana baria nimanye tokonyora kwa ino nogoke lakini mwechanire nakoleta abana skuru ikinege ntekia waziri buna barayi bonsi bibakuwa naga iga amangana alitogo soma chinga zeti nga chipese chingo chigoke iguchire lakini metenga no monto mongainiore tigato bwatera netwensi erina abayibo rimba chigo chandeka obogima bwabeiro bokongu kingo korera na bonko bo mwenye igobne kimokiane nkorundege toroga igasaba abari bari kwabo korega egasiengia 20,000 erina bari munabaro banyore kendi Tiganya saya bakonye nyasaye yombi ya mono.
Abantu baminto ngakimogote bi omoshinwa eso kenyuri. Nyasaye sasa ni taliwo. Now while she was speaking, another government official Okorokuna Charles Matoke. Na eso agalia Charles intupole sana. The punishment for coming late is that you don't get any breathing time. For those who talk, who know what to do,
Mheshimiwa Waziri, tunafurahi kwa uwepo wako siku ya leo. We are proud of you and we are proud of what you're doing in the education sector. Abantu baminto itifaki ikizingatiwa na wasalimia nyote, na ninafurahi sana kwamba shule yetu ya Riokindo is doing well. Hakiko leo hakela chinko ndiye mono sana watevirenga tutamu lakini taki haituacha ndiye mono lero neni tukorio mogoko asengencha prize giving ya bana baito. Our students have done well. The only thing that I can do is to encourage you to have values, and I want you to emulate a few values that I learned in the military while I was serving in the United States of America. One of the values is loyalty. I want you to be loyal to your school, be loyal to yourself, be loyal to your country. As young people, loyalty is very key. You must have duty, a sense of duty. Respect your seniors, respect yourself in whatever you do. Integrity, be a person of integrity. Say what you mean what you say. Be a person of personal courage and selfless service. Lastly, I want to encourage the teachers. You have done us proud. We are proud of you. I am a son of a teacher. Christopher Matoke, who was a NAT secretary in Kisii County. Kisi ya renge ya mwana Nyamira. Igo, inchego na kineti kuna walimu, and we are proud. I don't want to say much, Mheshimiwa Mbunge, nafurahi sana that you are also supporting matters education. Najua, kupitia kwa huyu waziri, ambaye aliteuliwa na Mheshimiwa Rais, akaambiwa wewe tunakupa docket ya education.
bakimoloze bali konyara wagere chingo binere n'omwana oito niyamono sana na nchengo runde egetoro kyane kutia saba alimu bagore soda ya shilingi 20,000 niyamono asenge nchochile chiskulu sato banyore komi iko 30,000 asante
Bwana omweshimiwa ngorone Charles Matoke abantu bamwitokana amanyegeire azokirie ruvome na ngetato igonderega siosentoliasi Bwana sana. Nimejulisha kwamba kuna directors ambao wanafanya kazi pamoja na Charles Matoke. Simama tu mtupungie mkono tafadhali. Yeyote mwingine ambaye yuko hapo katikati, asanteni sana, asanteni sana, asanteni sana. Asante sana. Sasa ni mimi ndiye nitatoa hotuba yangu fupi, kisha tuweze kumkaribisha Mheshimiwa CS Migos atuletee goodies alafu tutamatishe. Asante sana. Umano ili bagamoko mulwani muna moko mulwani ngoma ekere mo bwedi amangana yadaraki. Aere. Yako mulwani botamweli. Mano ile arabwe kore anonja soko magera maere. Haya. Samson amasikani bono ikaanza bono please. Ndio msalimie mkutano. Bas. Abantu bamindo erebuya muzere bobe. Ndiamono amina. Mheshimiwa CS, first and foremost I would like to welcome you to Bomachoge Borabu constituency. Except when we had tribal clashes along the Kilgoris and Kisii County borders, I think this is the first time that we are hosting a sitting cabinet secretary of the government. And so, welcome. Abantu bami ndobale ndamoka bikishono sia siko kwa kwa ngomba le. Aidonta ndoko ba secret. Motachanga mugeti ebinto mahete ga bwata so bongo gali no mubuko ime. Motachanga mugeti na bako rakire agende. Nere uya rozera arebobe. Era arebobe. So tafadhali yatuchengere na kumugokera mu CS Lagos kagara tache kisiasa CS gacha ko torentera amagendro. Erebobe rozera uya. So CS, as I was saying, this is the first CS that we are hosting. And on behalf of the Bomachoge Borabu people, accept my appreciation. Ukiendelea kujumuika na sisi hapa, ningependa kuanza kwa kusema kwamba wakati uliingia kwa shule uliweza kukutana na board ya Rio Kindo, ambayo sasa ningependa kukukongratulate na kukushukuru sana kwa sababu ya ile promotion ambayo umepatia Rio Kindo Boys. Principal Gerald Orina, you presented the needs of your school together with members of your board. But CS, I want to strongly associate with the submission that Gerald Orina gave you, not only about Rio Kindo, but about Rio Kindo group of schools. CS Gaki, esukuri ya tuande population nene sana, infrastructure ni finyu. Tunaomba kwamba wakati utakapokuja hapa utaweza kusema mambo ambayo yatasuluhisha hitaji hilo. Na bila kusahau, ningependa kukujulisha Bwana CS kwamba pia pamoja na Rio Kindo kuna shule zetu nyingi ambazo zinahitaji msaada wa ministry, msaada wako. wewe ni ndugu yetu kutoka kaunti yetu, nimekupatia memorandum kamilifu ambayo inaelezea zile shida ambazo tuko nazo katika mashule yetu. Kama ofisi ya mjumbe nimefanya bidii kabisa, tumetatua shida kadhaa wa kadhaa. Tunajenga centers of excellence, ikiwezekana kabla mwaka hujaisha tutakuomba uje ili uweze kufungua one of those centers of excellence. Pamoja na kusema hilo, mimi kama ofisi ya mbunge ningependa kusema kwamba tumesikizana na Principal Chief Gerald Orina. Nilikuwa nimemhaidi kwamba nitampatia shilingi milioni 5 kutoka kwa hazina ya CDF, na ningependa kusema kwamba ni wakati mzuri sasa, kwa sababu in the financial year 25-26 that money is going to be available to him so that he can start doing a bit of construction that will alleviate his problem with congestion. Pamoja na shule ya Rio Kindo Girls, kuna wakati kikundi cha wabunge wa Kewopa kilipo tutembelea, niliweza kutoa ahadi ya school bus kwa Rio Kindo, na naomba kwamba in time bwana CS utuwekee milioni kadhaa ili tuweze kununua hiyo basi. Wanafunzi wa Rio Kindo Girls, ni sawa si sawa? Asante sana, asante sana. Bwana CS, ningependa kuyazungumzia mambo tena mawili tu, kwa sababu sitaki kupatia memorandum ya Bomachoge Borabu ni refu, watu watachoka, lakini nataka kuzungumzia mambo mawili. Jambo la kwanza, wakati nilipochaguliwa na hao wananchi, waliniambia kwamba la muhimu kabisa ni kwamba nitafute TVET. Katika kutafuta hiyo TVET, nilifanya application kwa ministry, wakati huo ikiongozwa na Minister Machogu. Tukasema kwamba there is available a piece of land in Bombaba Borabu ward. We are ready in all respects to be given that TVET, because mimi nafikiri kwamba tukipata TVET, vijana wetu watapata skills ambazo wanaweza kutumia kujiajiri, ama wanaweza kutafutiwa kazi, waingie kwa industry watumie hizo skills zao. Nimekuwa nikifuatilia na ministry yako, mwaka sasa ni 3 unatamatika. Tafadhali ulizungumzie hilo. Swala la pili ni abantu ndio ni mengi yale ambayo tunahitaji kusaidiwa hapa kwa Machoge ni mengi, lakini niruhusu nizungumzie swala ambalo liko karibu na eneo hili, swala la barabara ya Mogonga Kenyenya Rio Kindo, alafu inaenda Magenche, inazunguka hivi tena inakuja kumalizikia Magena. Hiyo barabara since independence haijamalizwa. Kuna box culverts ziko hapa ndogo zinaelekea kuvunjika. Very shortly large populations are going to be cut off from their homes, especially when it rains. This is a dire situation. I want to request you, ukikutana na your colleagues, hakikisha kwamba kabla hatujapoteza maisha hapo kwenye hiyo daraja, kwamba yule contractor ameletwa on site. Na kutuma tu kwa sababu naelewa wewe ni CS wa education, yule CS wa roads ni rafiki yangu Chirichiri, tunaongea naye, lakini leo na zilimweka Ruto kwa power ama zikumweka. Mbiana wewe ndio wangu ndio wewe. Bas. So, kama president yuto mwene chira chinyinge chigo cha Bomachoge Borabu na mtunye te paka Bomet kama periatiche aki niko sigogo kwa na mere kagara dore ngomore ripoti kunanga kikwaraga moteri yetu moganyete ere mwe zere mwe. Sasa nimalize kwa kusema kwamba tunakukaribisha, tunataka ya kwamba utusupport miaka umwaka utigane tunayomo onyonde n'eki campaign omwaka utigane tunayomo bwegasi menya ime yabo machogo burabuga otokonyere chisukuru chaito 2027 nyasaye nabakogamba ebinte chikuru hicho abana inchi nabo bakonyara kobaribyo bibaronganga ki mokamara atare buya mula chikura onye mokokora buya nabona ida mangana akoba makongo. So kwa heshima kubwa ningependa mahali popote ulipo kama unaweza kuinuka, simama tukimkaribisha mheshimiwa na wananchi wetu.
Giving me support, Kesha, Kepsha, that whole team. Want to thank you for the good work that you are doing. Etimu enero to korega askomo ekera tutolikonyara wekerania na butogo toma elinde ilio kaikia maigaito. Unaona why Charles was not here in the morning. I had to send him kogende mukutano ulionde ajo to represent orole elinde elio twara kananga anto and to support abantu weito kerase. Please give them a microphone so they introduce themselves.
Your Excellency, the Cabinet Secretary, all protocols observed. I'm Sophia Kerubo, representing Board of Directors, Pondo TTR. Thank you.
My name is Edna Kangwana. I'm a council member at the University of Kabianga.
Thank you, CS. My name is Dr. Onsando James, and I'm the chairman of Council, Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. This school is very close to my family. It was actually started by Mheshimiwa Mambole Onsando. Huyu ndio mwanzilishi wa hii shule. So when I come here, I have a connection, a deep connection with the school. And as an academic, I would really take this opportunity to congratulate the students that have really made us proud. When I saw the two students that have been admitted to medical school, I realized that we have been blessed. May this school be blessed in the name of Jesus.
Josephine Omanwa, Director Kenya Day Reports. I'm happy to tell you that Ekirimali for the first time ngoja kere usi kelikawa na 10,000. Piona sana.
Established CS, my name is Dr. Amos Andama, an old student, so that mimi mjue tuko na watu katika so that they can continue supporting the community wherever they are. Supporting the community wherever they are. Now before I give my official speech, let me just say a few things. Rick said it was not that there is a reduction. He was saying that we have not been able to reach that target, but we are working. In Nyamira we did Nyansiongo boys, Kebirigo boys, and Kibabe girls. So we are doing something about those are 9 schools in 1 year. Mwakere serikali chinkobi. Wataka kega asi. Ikonto ndrato kora that work to ensure that we are above board. Now on the issue of teachers under TSC, the government has employed 76,000 teachers in the last 2 years. This coming budget financial year 25-26, we've been allocated resources for the walimu 24,000 others. Those will help in alleviating the pressure. So Rio Kindo is going to be a beneficiary of the 25,000 teachers that are being employed between now and December, so that in January you will have sufficient teachers to deal with the transition that is coming on. And under the Kenya Kwanza manifesto, we had committed to employ 116,000 teachers. We have so far employed 76,000 teachers. When we employ 24 by end of this year, we'll be having 100,000. Next year we'll employ the balance of 16,000, so that including Waliwata for so many years, they are now lined up to be employed. TVET, Mheshimiwa, you know that the TVET from Bombaba for this constituency is among the 52 that have not been constructed, because it's government policy to have at least one TVET in each constituency. So yours is among the 52 that are in this financial year. What I would suggest is for you to work with us so that you put some little money from CDF on that particular project. Then we will top you up, and we should be able to have this TVET in the shortest possible time. We are committed to ensure that each and every constituency has a TVET, because TVET is the key to dealing with the unemployment of students, of our pupils, or our people that we have all over the place, because we train them and we skill them for them to be able to get jobs, or for them to be able to create their own jobs. So to make sure as soon as possible. Work with us so that we can have it done. The issue of the road that you raised, we will meet with you. We meet with our colleague in the road sector, and we are sure that it is one of those that has been put in the program for this financial year or the next financial year. So you need to come, we go and check from the budget. Is it one that has already been funded, so that we can push for it to be done, because we did get some resources from the what we call secularization of the fuel levy, so that we can get those resources for those roads. So come, we go see our colleague, for Rio Kino, I have seen the pressure you have for infrastructure. Let me announce that I will add you another 5 million shillings so that you can construct the buildings that you need to do. The pressure that I saw even in the dormitories and the dining hall. So we are going to ensure, because you are one of those schools that are going to do the 3 pathways in grade 10. So we will support you in the infrastructure to make sure that you have sufficient dorm facility, so that So ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to join you here today for this wonderful event of the Rio Kindo High School Education Day 2025. This school has a rich history of excellence in academics and co-curricular activities. The giant school has produced great scholars and leaders who continue to contribute greatly to the development of our country in every sphere. I note that the school's enrollment has grown exponentially, currently standing at 2,200 and so students in 2025. This is a commendable growth, and it's a trajectory that we encourage, which should be maintained as the government seeks to live up to its policy of 100% transition. Fundamental support as well. I further urge all the stakeholders to keep supporting the school to maintain its high academic and curricular. With the advent of the competency-based education, I urge you to aim even higher and raise the standards. Learners of junior schools have selected their career pathways and senior schools that they wish to join in the grade 10 next year. From the records we have perused, to ensure that the teachers have been adequately prepared to handle the competency-based education at the senior school. I must stress the need for all of us to embrace the multi-agency approach to efficiently deliver education services, given that ultimately our common goal is to offer quality education to the Kenyan learner. Ladies and gentlemen, some of the government-funded programs, as we already know, are extremely costly. As a result, we have, in some occasions, lagged behind in the disbursement of capitation funds to schools owing to competition for resources by various government programs. I plead with you to always understand the government's competing priorities and manage your institutions well with the limited resources that we disburse. As always, the government will maintain its tradition of disbursing the money meant for schools and learners as and when they are released by the National Treasury. I urge you to closely monitor the use of government funds sent to your schools to ensure that they are put into the proper use to avoid cases of misappropriation. Ladies and gentlemen, for a number of years now, the second term has often recorded a very high number of cases of unrest in schools. I'm happy that schools in Kisii County have largely been peaceful, has been the whole country. I thank the boards of management for ensuring that there are adequate measures in place to preempt any planned cases of school unrest this term, which is set to come to a close next week. We need to always guarantee a good learning environment to avoid ugly situations like damaged property, injuries to students, and even deaths in our schools. I wish to assure the country that we are adequately prepared to administer the 2025 national examinations and assessments later this year. As a result, I wish to remind you that we will continue to uphold our policy of keeping our schools free of activities involving outsiders, including parental meetings, visits, and other large assemblies in the third term. This is meant to ensure that our candidates prepare for their examinations without external interference. Ladies and gentlemen, with these remarks, I once again congratulate the KCSE cohort of 2024 of Rio Kindo High School and wish you well in your next phase of learning in the various institutions of tertiary learning. I also wish the 2025 KCSE class the very best as they prepare for their national examinations. I congratulate all of you for organizing this successful event and wish you a very good and nice August holiday. Thank you and God bless you. Now, before I leave, I want to also leave a little gift for both the students in these schools, so that today, because we came here as visitors, at least munaanza kupata kachapati ama kitu kama hiyo, si ndio? Ama namna gani wase? So, and before I do that, let me ask any other person who may have come with a gift to please come forward so that we don't go back with it. So as abana baliva Rio Kindo High School, now I will leave 20,000, 200,000 shillings. Na ndo kwa answer.
Your Honor, the CS, Rio Kindo boys have got a gift. Na mimi naona nimepewa kamoja hapa.
Tuakode. Tuache.
Thank you very much.
Weka kwa gari ya wasi.
Kuna wengine hapa kidogo tu, zawadi sawa. Amos Onderi, please come forward. Timothy Gugu. Beatrice Makoe, come forward for the gift. David Way, Regional Director of Education. Regional Director of Education. The DCC.
Kwani wasini kaka kwa sababu ile msake mrudi tu abaya na bunu pawa amo tenga rote yani na mwili yake kaka kwa sababu yenga sasa ndio sana manzi haya
tunapeana zote kwenye rais Director, the President, Southeast Kenya Field, the President, Southeast Kenya Field, the Director, tafadhali kuna gift hapa ya President on his behalf. Thank you very much. Announcements. Wazazi wote wana Kenyana, kwa Deputy Principal Kenyana. Wazazi wote mtapitia ndani ya shule. Wazazi wote na wazazi wa Form 4 tutakaa na nyinyi katika 20 tufanye maombi na wanafunzi, na wale wanafunzi hawakupata zawadi, the 41 of you who scored A, make sure you pick it. Wazazi tu mkae, wazazi wangu mkae, wengine wakienda. Wazazi waliokinda mkae, wengine wakienda tu. Tuko na jambo moja mbili.
Kwa string.